Tired of juggling kitchen timers, fumbling with messy cords, or struggling with cluttered desks? What if I told you that for under $50, you can simplify everyday chaos in less than 60 seconds per gadget? Today, I'm revealing 12 game-changer Amazon finds that are flying under the radar, but trusted by tens of thousands who've left 5-star reviews. Let's dive in. Your smarter, easier future starts now. Why you need these. You know that feeling when you discover a gadget so clever and useful that you immediately wonder how you ever lived without it? Upcoming Discuss Gadgets. No, these are not just any gadgets. These are practical, affordable, and highly rated tools that solve real problems and bring real convenience. And trust me, once you see these, you'll wish you had grabbed them ages ago. No fluff, no gimmicks, just the best Amazon finds that deserve a spot in your home right now. Number 1. Smart Wi-Fi plug with voice control. Imagine controlling any device in your home from your smartphone or voice assistant, no matter where you are. That's exactly what the Smart Wi-Fi plug does. Whether it's your living room lamp, coffee maker, or even your fan, you can turn it on or off remotely using Alexa, Google Assistant, or your phone. These plugs are a game changer for energy savings and convenience. Forgot to turn off your iron? No problem, just switch it off via app. Want to schedule your lights to turn on before you get home? Done. Why it's life-changing. It turns your regular appliances into smart devices without replacing them. Affordable and super easy to install. Just plug it in and connect to your Wi-Fi. Available widely on Amazon with thousands of 4- or 5-star reviews. Number 2. Electric spin scrubber for cleaning bathrooms and kitchens can be a chore, especially scrubbing tiles, grout, and sinks. This electric spin scrubber comes with multiple brush heads and a powerful motor that does all the hard work for you. Just press a button, and the scrubber spins at high speed, cutting through grime and dirt effortlessly. Many users say it has cut their cleaning time in half and drastically reduced the strain on their wrists and back. Plus, it's cordless and rechargeable, so no annoying cables. Why it's life-changing. It transforms tedious scrubbing into a quick, almost effortless task, perfect for deep cleaning without hiring a professional. You can find models starting around $30, $50 on Amazon, making it an affordable helper for every home. Number 3. Automatic soap dispenser. Hygiene is more important now than ever, and the automatic soap dispenser makes washing your hands cleaner and safer. With motion sensors, it dispenses soap automatically when you put your hand under the nozzle. No touching required. These dispensers are great for kitchens, bathrooms, and even offices. Many come with adjustable soap volume settings, sleek designs, and easy refills. They work with liquid soap or sanitizer. Why it's life-changing. Reduces the spread of germs by eliminating contact, encourages frequent hand washing, and keeps counters mess-free. Available on Amazon from popular brands with top ratings and affordable prices. Number 4. Mini portable vacuum cleaner. Whether it's crumbs on your keyboard, dust in your car, or tiny debris in your workspace, a mini portable vacuum cleaner is your best friend. Compact and lightweight, these USB rechargeable vacuums can clean tight spaces easily. Some come with multiple nozzles for different surfaces and even come with a HEPA filter to trap allergens. It's perfect for quick cleanups anywhere, anytime. Why it's life-changing? Portable, easy to use, and super convenient for keeping your personal space clean without bulky equipment. Amazon offers many highly rated mini vacuums starting under $25. Number 5. LED strip lights with remote lighting sets the mood in any room. And LED strip lights let you customize your space like a pro. These flexible strips can be stuck under cabinets, behind TVs, or along shelves and walls. With a remote or smartphone app, you can change colors, brightness, and even sync lights to music. They're energy efficient, long-lasting, and perfect for adding a modern vibe to your bedroom, gaming setup, or living room. Why it's life-changing? Instant atmosphere transformation with easy installation and endless customization. Amazon bestsellers offer kits with multiple colors and timers for under $30. Number 6. Electric automatic stir. Cooking while multitasking just got easier. This handy electric automatic stir sits right in your pot or pan and stirs your food evenly without you needing to watch. It's perfect for sauces, soups, and risottos that require constant stirring. It's rechargeable, fits various pot sizes, and allows you to focus on other kitchen tasks or relax while cooking. Why it's life-changing: saves time and effort, prevents food from burning or sticking, and makes complex recipes simpler. Highly rated models available on Amazon, around $20, $40. Number 7. Silicone stretch lids. Say goodbye to plastic wrap and foil forever. Silicone stretch lids come in various sizes and stretch to fit bowls, cups, fruits, and containers of almost any shape. They're reusable, airtight, and dishwasher safe. This eco-friendly gadget keeps your food fresh longer, helps reduce waste, and is heat-resistant for microwave use. Why it's life-changing: a sustainable, durable, and versatile replacement for single-use plastic wraps. Top sellers on Amazon have thousands of positive reviews for kitchen convenience and environmental impact. Number 8. Rechargeable hand warmer. For those chilly mornings or outdoor activities, a rechargeable hand warmer keeps your hands toasty without bulk. These compact gadgets charge via USB and provide adjustable heat levels for hours. Many also double as power banks, so you can charge your phone on the go. Why it's life-changing: combines comfort and utility in one small device, perfect for winter or camping trips. Popular on Amazon with over 10,000 reviews, priced reasonably around $25, $35. Number 9. Magnetic phone holder for car. Keeping your phone visible but safe while driving is crucial. Magnetic phone holders attach to your dashboard, allowing quick one-handed mounting and removal. They use strong magnets and usually come with metal plates you attach to your phone or case. Compatible with wireless charging in many models. Why it's life-changing: safer driving by keeping your phone secure and in view for navigation without distraction. Best sellers on Amazon range from $10 to $20. Number 10. Smart reusable notebook. For those who love taking notes but hate waste, a smart reusable notebook lets you write, scan, and erase endlessly. Using erasable pens, you write your ideas or to-dos, then save scans to your phone or cloud with the companion app. When done, simply wipe the pages clean with a damp cloth and reuse. Why it's life-changing: combines traditional note-taking with digital convenience while saving paper. Amazon offers popular brands like Rocketbook with glowing reviews and moderate pricing around $30, $40. Number 11. Portable blender USB rechargeable. For health-conscious people or those always on the go, a portable USB rechargeable blender is truly a life-changer. Whether you want to make a protein shake at the gym, a smoothie at work, or even fresh baby food while traveling, this compact blender is the perfect solution. Most models on Amazon feature a powerful motor, stainless steel blades, and a long-lasting battery that can blend fruits, veggies, and even ice in seconds. It is lightweight, easy to carry, and simple to clean. Just add water and soap, blend, and rinse. The lid is usually designed as a travel cup so you can drink straight from the jar, saving you extra dishes. Why it's life-changing: makes healthy living incredibly convenient. No more messy kitchen setups or full-size blenders required. Available widely on Amazon with excellent reviews. Prices start from just $25 to $40 depending on the model and capacity. Number 12. Digital luggage scale. Traveling can be stressful, especially when it comes to luggage weight limits. No one wants to arrive at the airport only to find they have to pay overweight baggage fees. That's where the digital luggage scale becomes a simple yet essential gadget. These pocket-sized devices easily hook onto your luggage handle, providing an instant and accurate weight reading in pounds or kilograms. Compact, battery-operated, and super easy to use, this tool ensures you'll never get caught off guard again. Some models even have temperature sensors and other handy travel features. It's life-changing, prevents last-minute airport surprises, and saves you from costly baggage fees. A traveler's must-have that pays for itself in one trip. Highly rated versions are available on Amazon starting from as low as $10 to $20. Each of these gadgets might seem small, but the impact they can have on your daily life is huge. They save you time, reduce stress, add comfort, and even help you stay organized. The best part? They're all easily available on Amazon, many with fast shipping and solid return policies. If you want to upgrade your home, kitchen, workspace, or daily habits, these gadgets are an excellent starting point. Don't wait to make your life easier. Start adding them to your cart today and see the difference for yourself. Before you go, here's a quick tip. When shopping for gadgets on Amazon, always check verified customer reviews, look for warranty details, and compare features across similar products. This way, you ensure you're getting the best value and quality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and lifestyle tips, and let me know in the comments which gadget you want to try first.